Please watch the video till the end. If you are new to channel, please subscribe, hit bell icon, like, comment. Let us get started with the video editing.
Before diving into Google Flow Omni Flash, let's first see what Gemini can do. From the left sidebar, navigate to the video feature and generate a cinematic scene. Our prompt creates a modern college classroom where students take on the viral 5-second challenge. 6 students are grouped into 2 teams while a confident host stands at the front beside a giant 5-second countdown timer. The host kicks things off by asking,
"Let us begin. Tell the 3 oceans."
Come on, you got this! Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean.
Now, switch to Google Flow, upload the video generated in Gemini, and paste the following prompt. As the contestant confidently says, "Pacific Ocean," a glowing blue portal instantly transforms the classroom into the breathtaking Pacific Ocean. The contestant seamlessly becomes a scuba diver while maintaining the same face and identity, exploring vibrant coral reefs, colorful tropical fish, majestic sea turtles, and playful dolphins. With cinematic camera movements, realistic underwater ambience, and stunning 4K visuals, Google Flow extends the scene into a truly immersive ocean adventure.
Atlantic Ocean.
Overall, Google Flow Omni Flash did an excellent job extending and transforming the video with impressive visual quality. However, one issue stood out.
Let us begin.
For approximately the first 2 seconds after the transition, the voice
Atlantic
was not
Ocean.
properly synchronized with the visuals, resulting in a noticeable lip-sync mismatch. After those initial 2 seconds, the audio and video aligned much better, and the rest of the sequence played smoothly with a polished cinematic feel.
Atlantic Ocean.
Next, let's move to the Shader Effects tool. This section provides a wide range of visual effect variants that can dramatically change the appearance of your video without any manual editing. For example, the ghost effect gives the footage a surreal, transparent look, while other shader styles create unique artistic transformations. In addition to these, you can experiment with effects like zoom, which adds dynamic camera-style movement, and oil, which transforms the video into a painting-like visual. Simply select any variant, and Google Flow applies the effect consistently across the entire clip. It's a quick and creative way to test different visual styles and completely change the mood and presentation of your video. Now, let's explore the Pixel Bento tool. Unlike traditional effects, Pixel Bento lets you modify your video at the pixel level, giving you precise control over its colors, appearance, and overall visual style. With just a prompt, you can transform the entire look of a scene into a completely new aesthetic without complex editing. The best part is that you don't need expensive VFX software or advanced visual effects skills to achieve these results. Gemini Omni Flash handles the heavy lifting, making it possible to create impressive, professional-looking transformations in just a few clicks. It's a fast, cost-effective way for creators to produce eye-catching visuals. Now, let's check out the Weird Core tool. It includes a collection of creative effects that can completely change the mood of your video. For example, the fry effect boosts contrast and creates a bold, over-processed look that's perfect for dramatic or meme-style content. Another standout is the shake effect, which adds realistic camera movement to make action scenes feel more dynamic and energetic. These are just a couple of the available effects. Weird Core offers many more unique styles that are worth experimenting with. Now, switch to Gemini AI Chat, open the video feature, select the moon template, upload a UGC avatar, and prompt it to say, "I think I'm in a dream." Gemini will generate the video in just a few moments. Now,
I am thinking. I'm in dream.
what if this entire space scene looked like it came straight from a Studio Ghibli movie? Every frame transforms into a hand-painted world with soft watercolor textures and tiny...
I am thinking. I'm in dream.
What if this peaceful lunar landscape suddenly turned into a race for survival. Watch as the astronaut sprints across a rugged alien surface while towering mountains crack apart, unleashing rivers of glowing lava. The ground trembles beneath every step as thick volcanic smoke rises into the darkness of space. Intense orange lava illuminates
I am
the
thinking,
scene, clashing
I'm in
against.
dream.
Now, let's view the same scene from 4 unique camera angles. A wide shot of the astronaut,
I am
close-up
thinking,
of the boots, a
I'm in
dramatic
dream.
low-angle view of the mountain, and a high-angle shot of the flowing lava. All 4 views share the same lighting and color for a seamless cinematic split.
That's a wrap for this video. In the next part, we'll dive into even more exciting features, including AI avatar creation. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop here, keep watching. At the end of this video, I've linked my tutorial. I built a free AI video editor using Harness Agent. Cuts videos automatically, where you see AI edit videos automatically from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.